2002 Acura MDX rear driver side window regulator, part 2. So we've got to this part, and to get here, we have to take that panel off. To take that panel off, we have to take that light bulb out and then twist this to get that out. And up here, you just have to lift up the panel. You don't have to take that off, but I will put some lithium grease there when it comes back in. And when you put it back in, make sure you put this straight up, or else if this falls in, you got to do it again. And what I'm talking about is this little area here for the door lock. Now, someone's been in here before. I don't know why. And you can see that this thing is falling apart. This is the tar material I'm talking about. You can heat this up or take this off slowly, but you're gonna need this off to get to the window regulator. It looks like this has been off for some time because it's nice and crispy. Then another good tool to have is this tool right here. This is, I've kind of advertised this a few times, but I'm sure other brands make it. This is a DeWalt DCF680, and it's a small screwdriver that you can adjust. And of course, you can put anything in here and it'll be whatever you want it to be. There's your battery, 8 volts max. And then it comes with this little clip so you can put the tool in there. But it's most important thing is when you press the button, it turns depending on how much you turn it. So here I press the button, but it just vibrates until I turn it. And then the more you turn it, the more the power turns. So this is a great tool to feel things. I usually only go out with power tools, but I'll go in with this tool too because you can feel it. And you can press this button and it'll become straight. For example, like this. Now you can get into places like that. Now, I forgot to tell you, I put an LED light bulb there. Those are polarized, so it only works in one direction. The other way it doesn't work, and that's called polarized. It cares where positive and negative is. And then LEDs, they're usually not directional. Now these screws that live here, so you have 2 screws. That's the top screw and this is the bottom screw. They are different. So the top screw is that one that lives in there. And you see, if you study it, they are different. So this one has this extra material to go around it. I think that's to help from dirt coming in really in to get in there. And that screw, that screw there, the chubbier one at the bottom, lives right in there. All right, so let's continue on. Let me just look at the other window. So this other window doesn't have any words of like Honda or PPG. That's like a good aftermarket brand, but they also make it for a dealer. So I don't see the word PPG there or Honda. See, you have a word Honda there. So I don't know the story on why we went in here or what happened, or was I the second person in here? That's why we make these videos, help us remember. All right, so Risker out.